park and the beach a lot. It's nice, like I love it there, but I just want to try something new. So sometimes I just need a change of scenery because I don't know, it just keeps the fun. Like I'm in the awkward stage of like healing, not where I used to be, but I'm definitely not where I want to be. Where I'm at right now and doing the things I'm doing right now, like I had other plans. We can do everything that we're supposed to do physically, but if God has other plans for us, best believe the plans that we had are going to get screwed up. It's a challenge for one, that's a test. It's a test of faith. You have faith in God. Do you have endurance? Do you trust in Him and the fact that He's not putting you in a situation for no reason? The most important part of how I keep my mental stability is just trusting in God and trusting that everything happens for a reason, literally. And I can still make the most with what I have. All right, let's get this work. Yeah, I try to make it ritualistic to come out here by the water. It's very peaceful and therapeutic. Make beauty with what you have. Make do with what you have. We have this whole earth, and there are so many things that we can do, that we can take advantage of, even if we have nothing, like literally nothing. Like if you don't have a place to stay, if you don't have a car, you can go on a walk and clear your mind. We have freedoms, and we can find happiness and peace within those freedoms if we choose to take advantage of them instead of staying in a box. But I found more than fun in the activities that I've picked up since I've been here. I found peace and relaxation. And what's better than that? What's better than the sound of nature? What's better than the sound of the waves hitting the sand? What's better than the sun kissing my face? There's more to life than material things. Looking cute and getting dressed up and being bougie and wearing heels and being a bad bitch. There's more to life than that. And I think that social media has put us in a place mentally where we believe that that is the ultimate goal. I live that life, and I don't mind living that life. I'm pretty sure when I get back where I want to be, I'm gonna be out there again. I'm gonna be popping my shit again, but just not as often as I was. I was out like every night. My time is majority going to be spent doing stuff like this because this is my new life. This is my new lifestyle. These are my new hobbies, and they support my mind. They heal me. They help me. These hobbies help me, as opposed to going out, being around a whole bunch of people, a whole bunch of different energies, and drinking alcohol, spirits, and smoking weed, and being even more exposed and sensitive to all the energies. That's not really helpful, especially when you're not where you want to be in life. And I know a lot of us in our early to mid 20s, we're not where we want to be in life. There are people who have invested in that lifestyle, who have surrounded their lives around that low vibrational way of living. So people just think that it's normal. And if you're not living that life, if you're not invested in that lifestyle, then you ain't shit. What are you doing? You don't got no motion. You ain't got nothing going on. Just because I don't want to be shaking my ass in a club drinking Don Julio 1942. It's just getting old. And it's like, how are you not tired? How are you not drained? How are you not going crazy? You know what I mean? And the answer to that is they're fucking demonic, okay? Like the people who come out here, like there's people playing volleyball over there right now with their bikinis on. There's a man on a wheelie over there. Like there's people skateboarding, there's people roller skating. There's an old ass person in a little motor scooter right there. You think they be at the club? I stopped indulging in negative, dark, demonic activities, and I created new hobbies. I'm not surrounding myself by demons, okay? I'm surrounding myself literally by God.